Good morning, madam. I'm NAAVIND from Ava 31 Industrial Power. So my metric card number is 2112911019. So today I'm going to talk about the introduction to the Power World software. So for the first question, what is the bus voltage for the 1, bus 2 and bus 3? So the output will be 1.00 pu, and for the bus 2 is 0.95 pu, and the bus 3 is for 0.96 because of that some voltage drop inside that. So if we adjust the reactance compensations of the MVAR field until the voltage bus 3 reach 1 pu, so the new value will be react. So for the MVR, so once we want to reach that, because we set the 50 MVR, so we will get that voltage drop. If we increase the value, so we will get 53. Once we set the 53 MVR, the PU, the bus voltage will be 1 pu out for each every point. Okay, there is 3 points. So for the building a new case from exiting. So from the diagram, illustrate that from the power, so values insert to the thing. I draw, I will get like this, madam. So there also have a voltage drop. So for the this thing, I will get the answer, 15.75 for the second part. Okay, so the voltage drop is power losses a lot, 0.08 megawatt. So same goes for the number 3. So once I construct the circuit, I will get the value for it. So it's 16.16, and then bus 2 is 15.07, and the bus 3 is 14.50 kilowatts. And the power flowing two loads. So the power flowing for the two loads will be 15 megahertz and 16 megahertz losses power at the wire, 1.16 megawatt. Then this one will be supply. The power will supply to direct to the bus 2 from bus 1 to bus 2 and bus 2 to bus 3, and same goes for bus 1 to bus 3. So it will be reduced at bus 2 once we connected power 1 to 3. If we connected 1 to 2, 2 to 3, then it will be a larger one. So this is the changes will be added new transmission line at bus 1, bus 3, and so the voltage change at bus 2 is 15.66 kilowatt, and bus 3 is 15.57 kilowatts, and the power losses at the generation is less than 0.37 megawatt. The voltage drop bus 2 and bus 3 is nearly 16 kilowatt. So for the question 8, these are the circuit has been constructed. The bus will be adjusted to the 5 megawatt. So the total power generated at bus 2 and 3 will be the value of 15.7 and 15.75. So based on the explanation question, we use the power simulation in the system analysis. So this software is a primary use of load flow, which is essential produced by determining the power system steady state operating characteristic, and the optimal power flow approach consider a number of factors, include the generation dispatch, voltage management, and line flow limits. OPF can also assess voltage stability and identify the problem cases of the voltage collapse. In power world simulation in the comprehensive and multifunctional software tools is used to power system analysis, and because of the characteristic, the system operate plans and research cannot work their work or maintain their dependability and effectivity of electrical grid without it. Thank you, madam.